Hey guys, just a little intro. When I recorded myself changing the front speakers, that was a couple weeks ago. I was just originally gonna do the front speakers because I didn't have the rear speakers, but Johnny hooked me up with the rear speakers, so now I'm gonna do them today. I'm just letting you guys know it's a couple weeks apart. Anyways, I'm gonna let you into the video. Hey everyone, I'm going to change my front speakers today on my Supra, and I thought I might show you guys how I do it. But it's this one right here, and that one right there. It's still the factory, and they need to be replaced. So we're just gonna pop this out real quick. So that's what it looks like. Just a factory speaker. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these bolts right here, all of these 4 bolts. So now that is out, just like that. And then I'm gonna have to unplug this part right here. That part. Okay, so now it just looks like this. We're gonna have to take this out here, this little light. So I just unplugged that little light there. Then I'm gonna take these out here, these 2. This is gonna pop. There's also a little bolt right there we're gonna take out. And then just gonna take this off right here. So there are also bolts down here that we gotta take out all the way there. All I gotta do is just lift the frame up, and that's it. So now it just looks like this, and you have access to the speaker. I'm just gonna remove the 4 screws right here and around and stuff like that. It's like old speaker. This is the new one. I'm just gonna put it in there. So this one just plug into the big one there, and this one just to the small one here. Okay, it works. So I'm gonna put everything back in and do the other side right there.
Every day you dip on my mind right now. Every day you dip on my mind right now. You know want this, yeah. You know want that, yeah. You know want this, yeah. You know want that, yeah. You know want this, yeah. You know want that, yeah. Phone pan ring, you know hear that. I better if I me, you don't hear back. And I add the why me don't hear you. Stop ask both them questions. And any girl me met with, and anybody get me where it is. You never hear say we a go out ease. Stop tell lie about me now. Are you a tell lie about me now? Are you first started, stop now. Me done with the classing right now. The classing thing not for you right now. One bag of lip thing, you know that's dressing. John knows say your next thing. A one bag of lip thing, you know that's dressing. Hot up me head like a nut sting. Every day you dip on my.
Okay, so this is a couple weeks later. I'm gonna do the rear speakers. I don't really know how to do them, so I'm gonna have to Google it for a second and get back to you guys. So I was looking at the forums. I can't really see, but it seems like it's a lot of work. Rear speakers. Not so it's dark, but okay. So apparently, this whole thing from here has to come out. This plastic thing all around, and also this part here where the spare tire goes. Something needs to come out as well. So just to get here to this part. So yeah. Let's do that.
the wine. Oh yeah, yeah. Bring your body, come yeah. Girl, you gon' show me. Oh, you do that stunt, yeah. Girl, you gon' show me. Fling your bumper, yeah, so. Girl, you gon' hold me. Set your bumper, yeah, so. Girl, you gon' move me. Yeah, fling up your body pon the little Batman. This shadow cloud of the turbulence. Me have this something fi gon' make you turn on. Me have this something fi gon' make you ball out. Yeah, fling your body pon the little Batman. Me have this something fi gon' make you call out. Not your body get the 1 ton call. MK3 make cocky walk out. Yeah, fling your bumper your soul. Girl, you have the tiny. Girl, you have your whiny. Girl, you are the finest. Fling your bumper, your soul. Girl, you are the tiny. Girl, you have your whiny. Girl, you are the finest. Girl, your body looking fine. So, so fine. If you ever see the sight. Whoa, Lord, whoa. Girl, your body so divine. Whoa, so fine. Girl, you get the wine.
So I got the speakers out. Just gonna take this out right here and then put the new one. And then put everything else back in, which I'm not really good at because I forget to put small pieces back. So we'll see how that goes.
Your body looking fine, so, so fine. If you ever see the sight, whoa, Lord, whoa. Girl, your body so divine, whoa, so fine. Girl, the way you get the wine, oh yeah, yeah. Bring your body, come yeah. Girl, you gon' show me. Oh, you do that stunt, yeah. Girl, you gon' show me. Fling your bumper, yeah, so. Girl, you gon' hold me.
So I'm just gonna do something with the rust and I don't know, just kind of clean it a little bit, and yeah, I'm gonna put everything back in.
Girl, you gon' move me. Yeah, fling up your body pon the little Batman. This shadow cloud of the turbulence. Me have this something fi gon' make you turn on. Me have this something fi gon' make you ball out. Yeah, fling your body pon the little Batman. Me have this something fi gon' make you call out. Not your body get the 1 ton call. MK3 make cocky walk out. Yeah, fling your bumper your soul. Girl, you have the tiny. Girl, you have your whiny. Girl, you are the finest. Fling your bumper, your soul. Girl, you are the tiny. Girl, you have your whiny. Girl, you are the finest. Girl, your body looking fine. So, so fine. If you ever see the sight. Whoa, Lord, whoa. Girl, your body so divine.